Hello there, darling. Are you depressed? Do you hate yourself? Well, then I have the perfect solution for you. Behold my most marvelous creation. It's a duck in a cup. Trademark pen pending. This duck is sure to fix all of your petty little problems, like depression, self-loathing, anxiety. So what are you waiting for? Go and get your own duck in a cup today, and fix all of your problems.
Terms and conditions apply. Duck in a Cup is not responsible for any mental, spiritual, or physical health concerns that may arise after